Hello everyone and welcome back to Mother Fashion. If you love stories about royalty, elegance and powerful women who inspire the world, then you are in the perfect place. Today we are going to talk about one of the most loved, stylish and respected women in the modern royal world. Princess Catherine, the Princess of Wales, better known to the world as Kate Middleton. From her humble beginnings to becoming the wife of Prince William, future King of the United Kingdom, Kate's story is filled with grace, challenges and inspiration. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, Mother Fashion, and watch this video till the end. Because there are some amazing facts about Princess Kate you probably never knew. Catherine Elizabeth Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, Berkshire, England. Her parents, Michael Middleton and Carol Middleton, worked hard to provide their family a good life. Her father worked for British Airways and her mother later started a small business called Party Pieces, which became very successful. Kate grew up with her younger siblings, Pippa and James. The family lived comfortably and believed in strong family values, discipline and education. When Kate was young, her family moved to Jordan for a few years because of her father's job. This international exposure at an early age helped her develop a broader view of the world. She attended St. Andrew's School and later Marlborough College, one of the top private schools in England. During her school years, she excelled in sports, particularly hockey and athletics, and was known for her competitive and friendly nature. After finishing school, Kate took a gap year, which is quite common in the UK. She spent time studying in Italy, traveling to Chile for volunteer work, and learning about art and culture. Later, she joined the University of St. Andrews in Scotland, where she studied art history. This is where fate brought her face to face with Prince William, a meeting that would eventually change her life forever. So before we move further, if you are enjoying this royal journey so far, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Mother Fashion for more inspiring royal stories. Kate and William first met as university students at St. Andrews. Both were young, ambitious, and trying to live as normal students. They became friends first, often attending classes together and spending time with mutual friends. The friendship slowly blossomed into love when William saw Kate walking in a charity fashion show wearing a simple but elegant dress. From that day, Prince William was completely impressed. Their relationship grew, though they tried to keep it private. In 2004, the world first learned about them when paparazzi photos of the couple vacationing together were published. However, like any young couple, they had their ups and downs. In 2007, the two briefly separated due to public pressure and media interference. But true love found its way back. They reunited later that year, stronger than ever. After 8 long years of love, patience, and understanding, Prince William proposed to Kate in 2010 during a private trip to Kenya. He gave her the same beautiful sapphire and diamond ring that once belonged to Princess Diana, his beloved mother. This symbolic gesture melted the hearts of millions. It was like Diana's legacy of love was continuing through Kate. On April 29, 2011, the world witnessed one of the most iconic royal weddings in history. At Westminster Abbey, Kate Middleton walked down the aisle wearing a stunning Alexander McQueen gown designed by Sarah Burton, elegant, timeless, and perfectly fitting for a future queen. More than 2 billion people watched the wedding live across the globe. The moment Kate said "I do," she became Her Royal Highness, the Duchess of Cambridge. The ceremony was magical, a perfect mix of royal tradition and genuine emotion. When the couple appeared on the balcony of Buckingham Palace and shared their famous kiss, the crowd erupted in joy. From that moment on, Kate Middleton officially stepped into the royal world, a world filled with duties, responsibilities, and unending public attention. And once again, before we move to the next part of her incredible journey, make sure you subscribe to Mother Fashion and stay tuned till the end because the next chapters of her life will truly inspire you. After her marriage, Kate quickly embraced her royal duties with dignity and grace. She became a working member of the royal family and took on numerous charitable organizations and patronages. Her focus has always been on children's development, mental health, and family well-being.
Kate believes that a strong, supportive childhood shapes the entire future of a person. She launched the Early Years campaign, focusing on the importance of emotional development during early childhood. She also co-founded Heads Together along with Prince William and Prince Harry to break the stigma surrounding mental health. Kate's compassionate approach and warm personality made her one of the most loved royals. Whether visiting hospitals, schools, or social care centers, she always takes time to connect with people, especially children. She is also deeply involved in environmental causes and supports mental health awareness among young mothers. Her royal duties also include attending official events, royal tours, and representing the monarchy abroad, from Canada to Pakistan, from Australia to India. Everywhere she goes, people admire her elegance and simplicity. Now let's talk about what makes Kate a global fashion inspiration. Her style is elegant, classic, and relatable. She has mastered the art of mixing high-end designer outfits with affordable brands that regular people can buy. She often rewears her outfits, something that was rare for royals in the past. This repeat fashion has become her signature, promoting sustainability and modesty. When she visits foreign countries, she always adds a local cultural touch to her outfits. For example, during her 2019 visit to Pakistan, she wore beautiful traditional shalwar kameez dresses designed by local designers. The Pakistani public absolutely loved it. Magazines and fashion experts around the world call her the Queen of Style. But more than clothes, it's her confidence and kindness that make her truly beautiful. And speaking of beauty, if you're enjoying this part of the story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Mother Fashion for more royal fashion and lifestyle stories. Beyond royal duties and glamour, Kate is a loving and hands-on mother. She and Prince William have 3 adorable children. 1. Prince George, born July the 22nd, 2013. 2. Princess Charlotte, born May 2nd, 2015. 3. Prince Louis, born April 23, 2018. Kate often drops her children to school herself and tries to give them as normal a childhood as possible. The couple's parenting style is modern. They teach their children kindness, humility, and responsibility, preparing them for the royal roles that await them in the future. At home, Kate loves cooking and gardening. She once mentioned that she enjoys making meals for her kids and spending time outdoors with her family. This simple and grounded side of her personality is what makes millions of people around the world connect with her. In 2024, the world was shocked when Kate revealed that she was undergoing preventive chemotherapy after being diagnosed with cancer. Her announcement came after months of speculation about her health, and her courage to speak openly about it inspired millions. She thanked the public for their love and requested privacy for her family during her recovery. The moment she shared her story, people all over the world sent her messages of strength and support. Her honesty showed the world that even royals are human. They face pain and struggle, but it's how they handle it that defines them. By early 2025, Kate shared the hopeful news that she was in remission, bringing relief to her supporters. Through all of this, she remained graceful, calm, and optimistic, a symbol of courage for women everywhere. No public figure escapes criticism, and Kate too has had her share of challenges. In 2024, a small controversy nicknamed Kate Gate or Photogate erupted when an edited family photo she released was flagged by international media. Kate later took responsibility and publicly apologized, explaining she had made small edits as a mother trying to perfect her family's picture. Her honesty quickly ended the controversy, and people appreciated her sincerity. Apart from such incidents, Kate constantly faces the challenge of intense media attention. Every outfit, every word, every gesture is analyzed. Yet, she manages to maintain her calm composure and focuses on her duties and family. Kate Middleton's story is about transformation, from a commoner to a global royal icon. But more than her title, it's her heart and humility that define her. She has redefined what it means to be a royal woman in the 21st century, approachable, intelligent, and deeply compassionate. Her work in mental health, early childhood education, and women's empowerment continues to make a difference every single day. Her legacy will not just be about her royal status or her fashion, but about the kindness she spreads and the hope she brings to millions. As the future queen consort, Kate Middleton is shaping a new era of royalty, one built on empathy, modern values, and human connection. 1. Kate once worked as a part-time waitress before joining royal life. 2. She's fluent in French. 3. She is a trained scuba diver and loves outdoor activities. 4. Her university nickname was Beautiful Kate. 5. She often takes her own photographs of her children for official birthdays. 6. She is known to recycle outfits, a statement for sustainability. 7. Kate's engagement ring once belonged to Princess Diana. 8. She personally decorates her children's rooms and enjoys interior design. 9. Kate was the first royal bride to travel to her wedding in a car, not a carriage, a modern twist on tradition. 10. She has inspired a fashion phenomenon called the Kate Effect, where anything she wears sells out instantly. So that was the incredible journey of Princess Kate Middleton, the Princess of Wales. A story of grace, strength,